we'll take off. And we're going to take the first right turn here. And let's do a 3-point turn. And signal left. Yep, there we go. That was good. We're going to turn left. Oh, left. And then we'll park it on the downslope. You got it. Okay. Awesome. Bottom of the hill at the stop sign, we'll make a right turn. It's the next car. Don't know what it is.
Did it say anything?
No, I can't tell what it is. We're going to turn left. See the tip of the white line over there?
Yes.
So when you're making your left turn, you should be at the tip of the left, the tip of the line over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because then if your position of your car on the road communicates to other drivers what your intention is, as well as your signal.